All right, going to do assembly of a rack cabinet. I've got it, all the parts out here in the hardware kit. Got the side here, the side, the door, and all the other parts. I've already put the dowels into the end parts, which you'll need to do. So the tools you're going to need, a rubber mallet, a drill motor with a 4mm tip, and a Phillips tip as well. So we've got the little adjustable feet. We got 2 for each end. And you just take a mallet, pound them in. I'm not going to put these ones in because they don't come back out. So you put the feet in, and I'm going to go ahead and assemble the cabinet. Again, once you've got the dowels and the ends, put them in one of the sides. Doesn't matter whether you start with the right or left side. And then using the number 4mm tip, put our contour mats in. The hinge plates can go on either the left or the right side. There's a little arrow on the plate. Arrow goes out. And then the hinges go on the door. Pound those into the mallet. And then that can get hung onto the cabinet. You've got holes here to adjust your adjustable feet that are in there. And on the other side, your rack rails will go here. And you've got, there's 3 pilot holes here, and you'll need a Phillips bit with these screws to go ahead and attach those on either side. One there, one there. And that's it for the assembly. We've also got the connector bolts here, which we'll show in another video. Those go through these 4 holes here and connect up a and these connect through to go to your other rack cabinet, your pedestal. And that's it for the rack video.